Welcome. We are going to be using Forno de Pizza by HPC Fire today, and we have the fire nice and hot. We're going to be doing burgers. We're going to be doing a chorizo burger, and we're going to add a little garlic, some salt, a little bit of pepper, and then in conjunction with that, we're also going to have some sweet potatoes with cinnamon sugar, and then obviously we got to put a little bit of tomato and some cheese on the burger. We have some nice brioche buns, and to finalize things, we're going to have some reduction blueberries with some vanilla ice cream and some scraped milk chocolate. All right, we have the potatoes cut up, and now we're going to drizzle them with some olive oil. Right, and now we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon and sugar. As my good friend Keith always says, you always use garlic. And yes is the answer to that. So we're going to use a little bit of garlic, about maybe more. It's gonna be good. So we have a little bit of garlic added with the chorizo and a burger, and we're gonna need to put a little bit of salt in there. So there's 1 pinch of salt, and we're gonna mix that really good, and we're gonna use a little bit of pinch of black pepper. All right, everybody, come on in. We're gonna check on those potatoes right now and see how they're doing. Oh yeah. So let's take a peek in here and see how they're, oh yeah, they look like they are ready. So we're gonna take those out right now, and we're gonna let them rest. So now we have these heart-shaped beef broths that we're gonna put it right inside the burger. Let's go. All right, we are back. Now we are gonna dress our burgers here. We have our nice brioche buns. We gotta put a little bit of mayo. I like mayo on both sides of my burger. So that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna spread a little mayo. And we're gonna grab some of these tomatoes over here. Let's grab one of these. Then I like to put my lettuce right on top of the tomato. And to finalize things, I'm gonna grab one of these chorizo burgers, set it on there. Maybe 2 slices. Smoked provolone. Incredible. The little broth ice cube in the middle of the burger, it's amazing how it keeps it nice and moist. Delicious. There's the blueberries are getting reduced nicely.